Hello viewers, let's continue our CodeChef series where we have to solve one more question on less than 500 rating question, which is donation drive. Okay, so in this question there is given a blood drive aim to collect n number of blood donations. Okay, and drive has to collect x donations so far, and we have to find the remaining number of donations. Okay, so here is given the first test cases will give 4, and then you just have to find the total donation, and there is given x donation. Okay, there is given a n total number of donation, and x donation has been collected. So x donation and n donation has been collected. You just have to find the remaining number of donations, which is you just have to do the minus and then you just have to return it. Okay, so here is given x equals to 5 and n equals to 2. Okay, and then you just have to do the minus, and after this you just have to return the 3. Okay, so this is the one of the easiest question that can be done. So first you have to take input x and input n, okay, from the user, and then you just have to do the you have to create int z. Okay, int z as an integer, and then you just have to do the minus to find the remaining number of blood donations. And after this you just have to cout x. Okay, you just have to do cout z. So let's do this. First you have to take input int x. First you have to take the number of test cases int t. Okay, and then you just have to take the input c int t while t minus minus is greater than 0. Then you just have to take int x comma y, and then cn x comma y. You just have to take int z, which will store the minus value of x minus y. Okay, and after this you just have to do cout z, and after this you just have to do enter. Okay, so let's run this code. Yeah, this code works fine, and let's submit this. Yeah, this has been accepted. Thanks for watching.